never bow to evil. Treat every man as a man. Put not your trust in chariot and horses. Hold fast to the Creator's hand. The new teacher come to teach all and not to teach some. It's no need for you to stay dumb. Tell the world a new teacher has come. Ooh, well, new teacher come to teach all, not to teach some. No need for the world to stay dumb. New teacher has come. Ooh, well, some are on a quest, great quest to conquer. Now, but never think that they may be conquered too. Ooh, Lord, now they've got no regard for the feeling of others. No, for they don't care what they say or do. Ooh, Lord, still, some think the world is a bed of roses in which they plan to rest every day. And all they think about is vanity and never take time to pray. But a few teachers come to teach all and not to teach some. There's no reason that you should stay dumb. For the new teacher has come. Ooh, well, the new teachers come. Tell the world